In this video, I'll show you how to play A Life of Crime by the Weirdos off the Destroy All Music EP. But before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week, and leave a comment what you like, what you don't like, and what you want to see next time. And here we go. All right, so the song is in standard tuning, although on the record it sounds like it's a little flat. So I'm not sure if they slowed the tape down a little bit or if all the instruments were slightly flat. So if you're gonna play along with the record, tune your guitar down just a little bit, slightly flat, and it'll sound a lot better. The song is in the key of F sharp, and it begins with this A chord. It's like a 3-note A chord with some bends, and it sounds like this. So you're gonna play these top 3 notes, and you're gonna bend up slightly and then back down. And it kind of has that weird out of tune type sound. And then it goes into the main riff, which goes like this. So you're going to play basically with your ring finger on the 4th fret of the D string, and then your index finger is going to be bridged across the 2nd fret of the G and B strings. And it kind of has that like kind of rock and roll back and forth type feel to it. And so slowly it goes like this. One more time. And you're going to want to pull your ring finger off of the D string. Otherwise, it kind of gets this, if you let it hang, it kind of gets this like chordy type sound. So if you play it like, it doesn't sound right. So you're going to want to pull your ring finger off that D string when you play. And that way that D string doesn't ring out. And then there's like a short chorus, which is basically just 2 chords. It's a B to a D flat. And then it goes back into the... And then this time you're going to play this cool little fill, and it basically consists of these 2 notes phrasings. So you're going to bridge your index finger over the B and E strings at the 2nd fret, and you're going to play it like this. So that's how it sounds. And it's all 2 notes. And I like to play it with my index finger and ring finger, but it can be a little tricky to do those 2 notes with it. So you can do your ring and pinky finger on the 4th fret if it feels more comfortable. So. And then it goes back into the verse. And then it does that fill again. And then once you go back into the verse, and then you do the chorus again. And then this time when you go into the chorus, at the end of the chorus, there's going to be a fill. So you're going to go. So again, it's... So that fill is... So it's basically just kind of a 2-note bend on the G and B string. And you're going to bend both strings to a Chuck Berry bend, where you bridge your index finger over the B and E strings at the 2nd fret and bend with your ring finger at the 4th fret of the G string. Then it goes back into the verse. And then there's going to be a different fill this time through. So this fill goes like this. So slowly. So you're going to bend. I like to do it with my ring and pinky on the G and B strings. So it's up and down. Then. And then it goes back into that verse part. And then the next fill on this verse is going to be Chuck Berry bends again. And you're going to play the bend first at the 4th fret. Then we go into the chorus, and you're going to do the chorus with that fill at the end. And then we're going to go back into the verse part. Again, it's going to do with the verse part 4 times till the end of the song with different fills each time. So the first time we're going to do that first fill we learned. Then into the verse. And then the Chuck Berry one. And then we're going to do a variation of that fill with the bends. So. And then the last fill we're going to do is going to be at the end of the song. And it's going to be this kind of cool, like, descending blues pattern. So it goes. So again, it goes. Slowly. One more time slowly. And then like a little bit of a vibrato at the end. And that's how the song ends. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Remember to like this video and subscribe on YouTube. I'll be posting new videos every week. And leave a comment what you like, what you don't like, and what you want to see next time. And I will see you guys next time.